Is it going?
Yeah.
Jim, eat your fucking heart out. Over here.
No, we have this on the front door. Is there more? Oh my god, look at that spoiler. Fuck me. That's rad.
There's two more.
Oh, there's another one. What is going on in this place?
Oh, I fucking love it. Love it.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, there it is. We've got to get that for Silo. The generally...
Yeah, do it from this side. Wow, this is going to be a shit fight of a video, but it'll be alright.
Oh, there's no way we'll get it. Once we get it already.
Oh, they're driving?
Yeah.
Oh, get the motherfuckers. Onward. Alright.
You recording?
It's a high-speed chase now. Get him.
Not that far ahead.
Alright. You're on the wrong side of the road. There's a bug splat right in the view.
Can you tell what it is?
Well, kind of.
Oh, red light. Fuck, we got him.
Right.
Got it?
Yeah.
Recording? Jim, fucking check it out, man.
We're totally losing our fucking convoy, so we can take this shit around some smelly pulp mill town.
Just for you.
So you can go past? Oh, you can't. That would be a red light.